Hi, this is Jarvis Cloud Sr. at Day1Marketing Inc., where online marketing begins. I'm glad to present to you your free marketing course, 100% free from myself and Day1Marketing Inc. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Day1Marketing Inc. Additional free marketing courses, free software, and tools will always be provided in the links in the description below as well. Thank you again from Jarvis Cloud Sr. and Day1Marketing Inc. Enjoy.
Optimizing your list by targeting traffic sources. Now, just because you have a lot of people on your list doesn't necessarily mean you make a lot of money. There's quite a few marketers out there with huge email lists that are struggling. And the reason is the mistake of assuming that the more, the merrier. This just isn't true. You need to get the right people on your list. Otherwise, you're just going to have a lot of freebie seekers. People that don't even bother to read it and unsubscribe. But they'll make your list look larger right up to the point they do. You should learn to optimize your list by using targeted traffic strategies. Start with free traffic sources to optimize your squeeze page. Using these, you should be able to get enough clues as to how to tighten up the gift you're giving away, increase your squeeze page conversion rate, and maximize your email follow-ups. By using free traffic to get this information, you're obviously saving money. But the downside of this is you're going to have to invest a lot more time into it. So really, you're still paying, just not in the form of cash. Keep optimizing your squeeze page and updating it until you're confident that you can convert paid traffic at a high enough rate to make sense. Now, I don't suggest you jump in with both feet and start spending hundreds of dollars a day on ads on Facebook or Google AdWords. Instead, use small targeted ad buys to start. Start with just a few dollars and pay attention to your stats to see if people are really converting at a high enough rate to keep it up. Keep tweaking your squeeze pages until your few dollar ad buys convert at a fairly high rate. Once you've done this, start optimizing your email updates to boost your conversions there. This requires a tremendous amount of attention to detail, and you can get lazy about it and just set and forget it, but you will be leaving a lot of money on the table if you do this. You have to pay close attention to your ad campaigns so you can quickly deactivate ones that are not working, while increasing the volume of ones that are. You have to be proactive. You can't just sit back, as this means you'll be wasting money on bad campaigns.